Today we're in Platteview at the home of Tom and Teri Garvey. Let's go inside and check out their renovation by Kohll's RX. Tom and Teri, thanks for letting us in your home. What led to needing the renovation from Kohll's?
We had a shower which had about a 6-inch lift in it, and it just petrified me after I had my embolism. My balance became almost non-existent, and it was petrifying trying to step over that lip and get in the shower. And Teri was nice enough to say, hey, let's build a walk-in shower. And I said, well, you got 2 votes.
Our neighbor had used your company, and we liked what they did over there, so we used the same company.
Tell me a bit about what the installation process was like, and how was your experience with the team themselves?
It was very good. They were very helpful, and if I took a couple extra days to pick out something, they were very understanding, and so they were very easy to work with.
Mm-hmm.
And considerate. I putting tarp down, coming into our bedroom.
So while safety was obviously the moving factor, could you tell me a little bit about the style aspect of your new bathroom?
I just went with what I liked. I wanted 2 different types of tile for the wall, and then a different one for the floor. They painted the cabinets. It was just what I liked. I didn't have any grand scheme in mind.
Can you even tell that it's renovated for safety, or does it just look like a modern bathroom?
It just looks like a modern bathroom, other than the walk-in shower.
I mean, the walk-in shower itself is very beneficial.
And the bench.
And the bench,
that
yeah.
fold-down bench.
Because I'm a little taller than the shower,
Oh,
so
yeah.
I sit down on the bench all the time.
Well, we had a whirlpool tub there where the walk-in shower is now. And we quickly found out that it was not very practical for but it was in the 80s, and everybody put in a whirlpool tub. So that's what we did as well.
Did it comfort you to bring Kohll's in knowing that we've been around since 1948?
Oh, absolutely.
The fact that our neighbor approved of the services and recommended you guys.
So you would say getting the new bathroom, that's enhanced your goal, I mean, your foresight when building this house of being able to stay here.
To stay here,
Yeah.
absolutely, yes.
She took the incentive. She knew I was apprehensive about taking showers, so she suggested the walk-in shower.
Home modifications by Kohll's RX.
We're the best in the business.
No job too big or small.
Safe.